Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by choosing the exact columns you need and confirming the table exists. Run a quick check of available tables and column names. Then write a select with the specific columns rather than select asterisk to reduce data transfer and speed execution. Once done, add simple where clauses for initial filters and an order by if you need deterministic results. Make sure to note data types so comparisons behave as expected and indexing can be leveraged later. You now build the middle of the query. Apply precise where conditions to limit rows, combining and/or as needed. If data spans tables, join them using explicit on clauses. Inner join when you need matching rows, left join when you want all from one side. For summaries, add group by and aggregate functions like count or sum, then use having to filter those aggregates. Make sure to test each join and aggregation step with you finish by tidying the query. Add aliases, cast where types differ, and limit to preview results. Run explain to see if indexes are used and adjust predicates or add indexes as needed. Once the query returns expected rows, remove limit for full runs and wrap in a view or saved query if reusable. If results look off, isolate clauses and execute portions stepwise. Check join and where filters separately to find the mistake quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.